Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here, and yes, I know it's been a minute since I've done a sit down video, much less a hair video, which is what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be doing a wash and go using the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel for the first time. I've known about it a minute now, like long time, but I haven't used it because I figure my other gels work for me and they work pretty well, so just didn't decide to change it. So I always use their edge control, but we're gonna be trying out the gel today. So my hair is freshly washed and it has leave-in conditioner right now, as I am leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to be using a oldie but a goodie, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie with coconut and hibiscus. So I haven't used this product in a long time. Still smells amazing. Like you know when a product brings back memories of a time that you were using it like a lot. Like, is that weird? Okay, but so let's get into the wash and go, guys. Like, I'm actually excited because I haven't done a wash and go in so long. So yeah. Okay, so as I said before, my hair is freshly washed, right? Oh, I don't remember this being so thick. Okay, so I'm just going back to the basics of using a leave-in conditioner, cream, and the gel. You know what I love about this, like their whole line? It smells so good. Especially the grape. Especially the grape. Oh my god. Alright, let me get this hair off my hand. Alright, so let's see. Oh shit. Oh my god, guys. It is thick. Look. Okay. Guys. A part of me wants to go for the other gel to show you guys the difference in consistency, but I really want to just stay seated. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel. Like, it's thick. I feel like I should have done like a test product compatibility. Too late. Anyways, I'm just gonna go in. Just gonna go in. Ooh, okay. Alright. Okay, alright. Let me do this in smaller sections because if I don't, I feel a failure coming on. Alright. Okay. Okay.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I don't know if I'm loving this right now. I'm not even blaming it on the gel. I don't know yet. Let's just see how this goes. Let me not use too much. Let me just continue and see what happens. All right. Okay, we'll continue. All right, we will continue. The gel is like very thick, but is that better or like not great? I don't love this right now. Like, I'm not feeling optimistic. Like, should I just do a twist out at this point? Nah, I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna just continue. It feels like it just popping up back. Like, hello? I'm not getting the definition that I usually get. Again, not blaming the gel, but maybe I should. Oh my gosh, the excitement is just dwindling from me right now. It's going away. It's going away. You know what? I'm going to do a couple more sections and see how I feel about this. So yeah, I'm back when I'm finished, like maybe half or something. Yeah. You know what? Sometimes things just don't work out, and that's okay. Guys, listen, I did this side, yes? Look at it. I don't know if it's my hair not cooperating with me or if it's the product coming. I don't love this. I don't love this at all. I'm not even gonna fool myself. Like, look, can you guys see it well? Can you see it well? Like, I don't know if it's the product combination or my hair is just not fooling with me today, but I'm not loving this. So I'm going to be a proactive kind of girl, and I'm going to do a twist out because I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I'm going to do a twist out with the same product combinations and see how it turns out, because I'm not feeling great about the outcome of this wash and go. Like, it just feels you know, like I've done many wash and goes before. Maybe I lose my touch, I don't know, but no, not this. So we're gonna be doing a twist out, so let me get to that. I'm gonna do a nice tight twist out, 2-strand. When your wash and go fails, twist out is here to save the day. There it is. All right. I was so looking forward to doing a wash and go, but you know, sometimes you need to be smart and make decisions in the early stage of the game before you waste your time. And I don't feel like wasting my time. You know what? I'm actually excited for the twist out now, because it's going to be even like more long lasting anyways. So I'm thinking on the pros. You see, like, nah, this is not, it's not giving. It's not giving. It's giving, you know? Okay, so I twisted the section that was like already supposed to be the wash and go. There is no bad combination. I just wanted to show you guys that, like, this is the combination of the curl enhancing smoothie and the gel. There's no weird residue or anything like that. So I finished doing the twist, and I'm gonna come back on camera when they're dry. I'm just gonna let them air dry. I'm not gonna go under the hooded dryer. Should I count? Let me count how many there are. Okay, so there are 21 twists in my hair. Okay, I almost didn't even bother filming this takedown. In fact, I was going to scrap this whole video to begin with, but I said no. This is what happens most of the times when you have a failed wash and go, guys. I did adjust the front parting of my hair to get a deeper side part rather than a middle-like part. But that aside, I definitely noticed my hair was not its usual texture while I was applying the products. My hair wasn't absorbing the products as well as I know that it should. I mean, it looked like the product was just sitting on my hair shaft and not moisturized at all. As I said earlier in the video, I haven't done a wash and go in a while, so I've just been moisturizing and protective styling, so you wouldn't be able to see your hair in its natural state as you can in a wash and go. Naturally, I'm thinking I am overdue for a good hair cleanse because these are definitely signs of product buildup. I haven't done a bentonite clay mask in a while, so I definitely will be doing one the next wash day. Maybe I will try this combo again. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So this wash and go is definitely a fail, guys, and quite frankly I was not loving the twist out either. My hair needs some extra TLC, that's for sure. Oh well, should I try this combo again? Maybe in my next video. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when I post a new video. Until next time, bye.